Hi traders, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at FXPrimus. Be sure to like, subscribe and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. FXPrimus is a low-cost CySEC-regulated forex broker that was founded in 2009 and is based in Limassol, Cyprus. More than 300,000 clients from over 140 countries trade with FXPrimus, and they have won many prestigious awards over the years. FXPrimus offers flexible account types with tight spreads, and no minimum deposit is required to open a live account with them. They also offer an award-winning partner program and a special partner account with exclusive features. As an FXPrimus client, you will have access to premium trading tools, high-quality educational resources, and 3 popular trading platforms. By choosing FXPrimus as your broker, you will be able to trade more than 130 currency pairs, metals, energies, equities, cryptocurrencies, indices and futures. They accept several payment methods, and accounts can be funded using multiple base currencies, including pounds, US dollars, and euros. FXPrimus offers a user-friendly website that is easy to navigate. You can find out more about their accounts, instruments, tools, and the platforms you can use by choosing an option directly from the menu bar, and key features are highlighted on the homepage. As you scroll down, you will notice that they provide detailed information about the different instruments they offer, and they list the benefits of being an FXPrimus client further down the homepage. They also showcase some of their more recent awards and list the features of the platforms you can use when trading with them. FXPrimus offers a variety of forex pairs, metals, energies, equities, cryptocurrencies, indices and futures, and their spreads start as low as 0 pips. To find out more about the instruments they offer, simply click on the Markets tab and select an instrument directly from the drop-down menu. The FXPrimus customer support team is available 24 hours a day, and they can be reached via email, live chat, or telephonically. You can also view their video tutorials if you need guidance with your account creation and platform installation, or you can submit a web ticket directly from the website if you need assistance with anything else. With FXPrimus, your accounts can be connected to the MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and CTrader trading platforms. MetaTrader 4 and 5 are currently ranking amongst the most popular trading platforms in the world today. MetaTrader 4 was released in 2005, and MetaTrader 5 was released in 2010. These platforms are renowned for their advanced analysis tools, thousands of technical indicators, customizable charts, expert advisor and algorithmic trading support, and they can be downloaded for free. With MetaTrader 4, you get access to 3 types of order execution, basic tools for graphic analysis, one-click and algorithmic trading, fundamental analysis, suggested trading strategies, expert advisors, and much more. With MetaTrader 5, you get access to advanced platform customization, the optimized processing of expert advisors and indicators, access to smart trader tools and AutoChartist, one-click and algorithmic trading, fundamental analysis, and much more. The CTrader platform was developed by Spotware, and it offers a fully customizable user interface with market analysis tools and access to full market depth. Some of the main features of CTrader include over 55 pre-installed technical indicators, no restrictions on stop or limit levels, detachable and linked charts, advanced order protection, a newsfeed, market sentiment, the ability to analyze trade statistics, and more. In addition to these platforms, you will also be allowed to use expert advisors and copy trading tools. And they also provide an economic calendar for you to browse through at any time. All three platforms are beginner-friendly and are available as mobile applications and desktop platforms. There are 4 types of accounts that you can open with FXPrimus, including a demo account and a swap-free account. FXPrimus offers 2 commission-free accounts, and all of the accounts can be used on the MetaTrader 4 platform. If you would like to trade on a commission-free account that requires a low minimum deposit, then we recommend opening either a Prime Cent account or a Prime Classic account. Both of these accounts can be opened by depositing as little as $15, and the spreads on these accounts start from 1.5 pips. The Prime Classic account can be connected to MetaTrader 5 and the CTrader platforms, and it can also be used for copy trading. The Prime Cent account can only be used on MetaTrader 4, and it cannot be used for copy trading. But this account is a great option for beginners and budget traders, because the balance of the account is measured in cents instead of US dollars, and is the account with the lowest risk. If you are willing to pay a small commission fee for significantly lower fees, then we recommend opening either a Primus Pro or Primus Zero account. The Primus Pro account allows a maximum leverage of 1 to 1,000, and spreads on this account start as low as 0.3 pips. When opening this account, a minimum deposit of $500 will be required. If you are ready to make a bigger deposit of at least $1,000, then you can open a Primus Zero account for spreads starting as low as 0 pips and lower commission fees. This account allows for a maximum leverage of 1 to 500 and can only be used on the MetaTrader 4 platform. By opening any of the accounts, you will have access to all the educational resources provided, and all accounts come with negative balance protection to help you manage your risks. If you would prefer to practice trading first, before making any deposits, then you can open a Primus demo account. The spreads on this account start from 1.5 pips, and you will be able to use it on the MetaTrader 4 platform. No minimum deposit is required to use this account, but you will be provided with virtual funds that you can use to practice with. Creating an account with FXPrimus may take up to 24 hours, depending on the type of account you would like to open. However, the account creation process is straightforward, and FXPrimus provides several videos that you can watch to show you how to open your account. Firstly, launch the FXPrimus homepage, and then click on the Trade Now button. Complete the online application form. Next, you will want to verify your account and email address. Once your account has been verified, you can log into the client portal, and then once your account is approved and set up, you can simply fund your account and start trading. As mentioned before, FXPrimus provides a variety of tutorial videos to advise you on how to open your account and to get started. Next, after your account is set up and ready, the next step would be to download and install your preferred trading platform. In our case, we decided to go with the MetaTrader 4 trading platform. Download and install your preferred platform, and then simply log in with the credentials provided. And as easy as that, we're in. This is the MetaTrader 4 terminal with FXPrimus. In the center of the dashboard, you have your graph. On the left, your navigator and market watch, and at the top of the screen, a nice and simple buy and sell order window and a variety of tools and options that you can use. If you are new to trading and are new to the MetaTrader trading platforms, well, FXPrimus provides a wide variety of platform tutorial videos to help you get started with the basics of platform functionality. You can also check out their YouTube channel which provides a wide variety of educational and trading content that you can browse through whenever you like. With regards to educational resources, for clients who are new to trading, FXPrimus provides educational videos, as mentioned before, to simplify the account creation process, and the videos can also be used to help you install the platforms and place your first trade. There are also several articles explaining the basics of trading different instruments and understanding how the markets work, and they also provide updated trading schedules and daily forecasts. FXPrimus has received many awards over the years they have been in operation. In 2021, they were awarded by the International Investor Magazine and Financial Derivative Magazine for having the best partner program in Africa and Southeast Asia. In 2022, they received the Best Forex Broker in Southeast Asia award, and many, many more. Overall, FXPrimus is a great option for beginners, and we recommend their cent accounts for anyone trading on a budget. However, they also offer competitive spreads and low commission fees for high volume traders and professionals. With FXPrimus, you can trade on 3 of the most popular and trusted trading platforms, and they also offer intuitive copy trading tools that can be used by all types of traders for any type of strategy. If you are interested, be sure to open your FXPrimus account today to get a head start on your trading career. And that is our overview of FXPrimus. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.